the Smart Money Stop-So-3 indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the Tradingfinder's website. From this section, you can access the indicator on the TradingView website. Additionally, traders can read this page to understand how the indicator works and functions. To access the indicator on the TradingView website, search for the indicator's name in the Indicators section. And by clicking on the indicator, we execute it on the chart. For quicker and easier access to this indicator, add it to your favorites in TradingView by enabling the Add to Favorite option. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it begins to identify price movements on the price chart. The Smart Money Stop-So-3 indicator uses ICT concepts to start identifying price movements, pivot points, break of structure, and ultimately identifying bullish and bearish order blocks on the chart. The indicator operates based on trend identification. For example, here, the price is creating higher highs and higher lows and has moved upwards. At this particular point, the price has made a significant high, a notable low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, and finally, a lower low, and after this, it has moved upwards steadily. After an upward movement, the price formed a price range here, and with the last candle moving downwards, it collected the liquidity below this range and moved upwards. After moving upwards, a break of structure occurred, which is considered a break of structure. After the price returns downwards, the Bund 03 setup is confirmed, and traders can enter a buy trade if the price returns to the identified order block area, after which we see the price moving upwards with momentum. Again, there is a price correction downwards, but it does not enter the identified order block area. Instead, it reacts to an order block that results from hitting another order block, and then moves upwards again. In the settings section, under the input part, there is only one option, where traders can identify longer-term pivots by changing the pivot period, and by reducing this value, they can identify shorter-term pivots. This strategy and trading setup is a powerful setup that, alongside price compression, liquidity column, and structure break, is a suitable setup for smart money style traders. Using this indicator, they can easily identify buying and selling opportunities in the market. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.